Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, my background looks really plain right now, and that's because, as you saw in my vlog, I was taking apart my YouTube room just so that we can go ahead and rework this room. Was able to get everything taken down, but now I don't really have anywhere to film. So anyways, I posted this picture on Instagram and I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys how I did it, as well as a couple other easy ways you can wrap your hair. I actually ordered this head wrap from Covered by Miriam. The material is really stretchy, it stays, it doesn't like slip and slide off of my head, and it's really long, like really long, so you can do a lot with it. Let's go ahead and jump right into these styles. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just pin my braids down, just because I want this to be as flat as possible. If your hair is shorter, you really don't have to worry about doing this. If your hair is longer, I would recommend to just, you know, put it in some braids and pin the braids out of the way, so that way you're working with like a really flat surface and you can go ahead and apply the wrap however you want. So for the first style, as you guys can see, the wrap is really long, so I'm just gonna fold it in half the long way. So hot dog style for all of you people out there with kids and stuff. You have your two sections in the back. Now what I'm gonna do is put them a little off center. So I want one side to be a little bit longer, and that's the side that I'm gonna start to twist on. So right now, this side is longer than this side. So that means the center is about here now instead of right here. And I'm just gonna tie it once in the back. And at this point, you don't have to make it super tight at all. Now, I'm just gonna start twisting them together. Once I get to the end, I'm simply going to bring this over. And at this point, you can start making any adjustments that you want. So I'm gonna actually push this a little more back so that you can see the edge of my hair and wrap that around. And once you get to the back, you can go ahead and tuck your ends into the side that's already twisted. Then of course, the last thing you're gonna wanna do, if you wanna do this part at all, is pull out your baby hairs. For the next one, we are gonna keep our head wrap folded the long way, and this time we're gonna wrap from the back of our heads, bring it up and put our knot in the front, twist it in the front, and go ahead and do our top knot up here. And again, you can just tuck the ends right in. You won't even notice that they're there. Next, we're gonna flip it back this other direction, tie it directly in the back of our heads, twist one side and tuck it. Then we're gonna twist the other side and bring it across in the middle. With the last style, we are again going to go ahead and wrap it in the back. In this one, I'm gonna do the knot a little higher. Instead of doing it at the nape of my neck, as you can see, I have some hair right here. I'm gonna do the knot about up here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and twist this so that I can start tying it into a bun. Then I go ahead and tuck the ends inside of the wrap. And as you guys can see, the bun kind of fell into itself. So I hope hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just like an easy little jump into me getting back into hair videos. I'm gonna try to slowly jump back into it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel if you guys are not already subscribed. And I'll see you in my next video.